evening everybody, it's Wednesday night and we are cutting spring wheat, the last of our conventional spring wheat. As you can see, it's an acceptable sort of crop. It's been holding steady at about sort of late 6s, as you can see here, late 6s. Weather is forecasted to break tomorrow, so we left it as late as we could. Moisture got down to sort of 16s, and we've decided that it's a risk we're willing to take. I think we've only got low input after this, so it's a relatively we've got quite a significant tonnage to cover tonight, and then we can, if it is wet tomorrow, we can work our way through the grain dryer. The other issue we've had is that our combining team, one of the tractor drivers is sick today, and so Ed is worried about his spring oats. And for those of you who don't know, they're very susceptible to storm damage. So that's it for Wednesday night, and see you again soon. Afternoon everybody, welcome back to the channel. So it is Saturday afternoon. Finally we've made a start in the regenerative spring wheat. On Friday we picked off a small field. It was pretty hard work. We started at 5 and it's coming in about 17% moisture, but it was hard going. We had an issue with the table as well. A sensor had gone on the combine, so that was pretty hard going. This is one of our poorer fields. It's been doing 2.5 really, and as you can see, we've got a terrible outbreak of wild oats. We had them tested, and it's turned out that they are resistant, so that'll be a challenge going forward, and that's part of the reasons we've been working on that rotation that we've discussed before. So we are looking to go to winter beans in order to try and target these wild oats. So going back to that video that I did sometime in the spring, what we're now planning to do is try and establish a more stable rotation built around our success with winter beans, whereby we come out of the spring oats into winter beans, then do a regenerative low input winter wheat, followed by possibly a spring wheat, and then or go into some sort of seed rate built around a very it coming through a cover crop, enabling us to sort of hedge our bets about whether it's going to make it through or not. So that's the plan going forward. So it is now sort of 6:30 on Saturday, and what we'll try and get a move in before we lose the light tonight, and then be in some better spring wheat tomorrow. Hopefully break the back of harvest in Monday or Tuesday this week. So fingers crossed. Sunday evening, and we're back in the low input spring wheat, and despite the buzzing of my computer, this is not doing too badly, sort of mid to late 3s, and really what it just demonstrates to us is that drilling date really doesn't matter. We have managed to combine that field where we did after flowers, where they formed a mat, the sort of, we've described it as the rye alternative, and I'll pop a map up of that to show you what that looks like, but that was pretty good. It certainly was very clean, and fingers crossed it yields all right. Haven't seen the map yet. So thank you very much for watching this week. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, click on the little bell to get notifications of when our next video goes live. See you next time. Bye.